Hello and welcome to today's tutorial. In this session, we'll validate whether a given matrix is an identity matrix. An identity matrix is a square matrix with ones on the main diagonal and zeros everywhere else. Let's begin. An identity matrix has a clear structure. All diagonal elements are 1 and all others are 0. The program will check these conditions to determine if a matrix qualifies as an identity matrix. This program first verifies if the matrix is square. Then it iterates through all the elements, checking if diagonal elements are 1 and non-diagonal elements are 0. If either condition fails, it returns false. The program processes the matrix in two stages. First, it ensures the matrix is square. Next, it checks each element to confirm the identity of the matrix conditions. If all checks pass, the matrix is an identity matrix. Let's analyze these examples. The first matrix satisfies all identity matrix conditions, so the output is true. In the second matrix, matrix 2, 0 is 1, violating the condition for non-diagonal elements, so the output is false. The ES6 version simplifies the code using the every method for both square matrix and identity matrix checks. This makes the code more concise and readable. Edge cases to consider include empty matrices, single element matrices, and non-square matrices. These scenarios ensure the function handles all possible inputs gracefully. In summary, this program efficiently checks whether a matrix is an identity matrix. It handles edge cases and ensures accurate results for all valid inputs. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, share and subscribe for more JavaScript tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.